Well, thank you everybody and thanks most of the students. I would like to say some things about the solve in criterion question with binomial theorems and binomial expansion with many kinds of questions are solved in previous lecture. Then you have to benefit it and benefit it in your friends and all of. I think you have to clear this binomial theorem and lot of critical questions, and I want to say that you have to clear this process and system and clear this chapter. So at that moment I want to solve these questions. Are firstly, question number 1 is the scenario 1, 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, and scenario 2 is 1 minus 1 plus x whole to the power minus half. Is a scenario 1 and scenario 2. So second is the find the question are 10 marks. Is a 5 questions are 10 marks. Firstly, number 2 and 4 is a solution in your final exam. So firstly you have to deeply thinking which is the questions are if n equal to 4, then find the Pascal formula with triangle. And second question, find the coefficient of x to the power n of the function of x band f of x, or scenario 1. And third question, if x is modulus is less than 1, then scenario 2, or expand this series with the which series is convergent or divergence in your explain it. So I think you have to clear these questions and firstly solve this question. N equal to 4 is the apply of formula Pascal. This is the triangle. Who is the triangle? N equal to 4 is Pascal triangle. N equal to 1, firstly you have to write now in Kata 1, and then secondly 1 and 1, and thirdly n equal to 2, 1, 1 plus is 2, 1, 1 plus is 2, then 1 equal to 1, and n equal to 3 is the Pascal, then 1 and 2 are 3, 1 and 2 are 3, and 1 is 1, and 1 is equal. Right now is the left or right side, and then n equal to 4, n equal to 4, 1 and 3 is 4, 3 and 3 is 6, 3 and 1 is 4, and 1 is 1. Is a which is the Pascal triangle, and is a only 2 marks is no problem. You have to clear in right now in this kata. Okay. Ever scenarios 2, find the coefficient of x to the power n of the function f of x. So given the function f of x equal to eto, let f of x equal to eto. That's why firstly you have x minus 1 and x minus 7. X equal to 1, 1 minus 7, that's why minus 6, and 5 minus 7 minus 2, and x equal to 7. X equal to 7 means 6, x equal to 7, 7 minus 1 equal to 6, 5 6 30, 30 minus 1, 30 minus 7 equal to 23 is a plus. So you have to advance this system, then obviously you have to clear this system. Oh, is a wrong process. Wrong process is not 2. Is a 2. X equal to 1. 1 means 1 minus 2. That means 1 minus 2 minus 1. And 5 minus 7, that means minus 2. And 2. 2 minus 1, that means 1. That means 1. And 10 minus 7, that means 10 minus 7. That means 3. That means 3. Again, reply that x equal to 1. X equal to 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 7, 5 minus 7, that means minus 2. That means minus 2. And secondly, x minus 2 equal 0. X equal to 2. The 2 minus 1, that means 1. 10 minus 7, that means 3. Is a fraction. Is a fraction. That's why with the right now in 2 divided by x minus 1 and plus 3 divided by x minus 2. We have to clear that this is the system. 2 by x minus 1 and 3 by x minus 2. We have to write now in khata and we have to memorize 1 minus x whole to the power minus n or 1 plus x whole to the power minus n. This is the expansion of binomial theorem formula. You have to clear this 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1, 1 minus x whole to the power 1 plus x whole to the power minus x. This is the formula. Now, that's why minus 2 divided by 1 minus x is the formula and plus 3 divided by minus 2 into 1 minus x divided by 2. Clear? That's why minus 2 into 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 and minus 3 by 2 1 minus x divided by 2 whole to the power minus 1 is a adjusting of expansion of formula, and you have to clear this system. Again reply that this is the fraction. This is the fraction. We have to right now this is the process. We have to advance right now this is the process. Obviously this process is deeply mined and apply this the formula. Then obviously expand this the formula of right now in this example. So x minus 1 this is the x equal to 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, that's why minus 1, 5 minus 7, that's why minus 2, x equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 10 minus 7, that's why is 3. So x minus 2, minus into minus sign omitted, then minus sign is omitted, minus sign is minus is omitted, then minus 2, 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1, minus 2 whole to the power 1 minus x whole to the power x divide 2. This is the expansion of formula, and you have to clear this question. Find the coefficient of x to the power n of the function f of x. This is the function is the coefficient of x to the power n. So right now in this exam, I'll firstly that's equal to minus 2 into 1 plus x square plus dot 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 plus x to the power n. Minus 3 by 2 is the 1 plus x divided 2 plus x square by 2 square plus up to dot dot x to the power n divided by 2 to the power n. This is the formula. 1 minus x and 1 minus x is the same formula. You have to use this. This is the same formula. So we have to clear this system. Now the coefficient of x to the power n equal to, firstly, x to the power n is minus 2 plus x to the power n minus 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power n is the, so this is the coefficient of, this is the function. This is the function. So minus 2 minus 3 by 2 to the power n plus 1 is the answer. You have to clear this, the coefficient of x to the power n of the above function. So again reply that 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1, 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1, 1 plus x square plus x up to dot 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 x to the power n, and minus 3 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 x square by 2 x to the power n by 2 to the power n. So x to the power n, this x to the power n, this is the coefficient of 1 by 2 to the power n, and minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, and this is the coefficient of minus 2. This calculation, this is the result. This is the result. Well, thank you and thanks everybody, and thanks most of the students are well being.